going to try to find some arts and crafts to do today. Say hi to Caitlin. Hi. So here we are. Hopefully we'll find something shortly. So for this project, you're gonna need a Floracraft foam wreath, some yarn, and a hot glue gun. And basically any other kind of things that you want to add on to your wreath, go ahead and pick it up from the dollar store or from Michael's. So we found these super cute necklaces at the store and we thought we could cut them up to save money and go ahead and use those as some of the pieces to put onto the wreath. Hey guys, so we kind of went a little crazy at the store. I got these cute little St. Patty's Day earrings, some beads, and a little hat. And Caitlin got a hat and some other stuff. So we're just starting to get ready and we'll get back to you soon. So the next step you're gonna do is take your yarn and wrap it around your wreath as many times as you can. A trick to that is wrap it around 3 times, pull it back and do it. I learned that if you do it multiple times, it takes too long. Here is the finished product of what it looks like with it completely wrapped around. So here you're just going to decorate it any kind of way that you want with any kind of things that you purchase from the store. We found some of the things from Michael's and a lot of stuff from the dollar store as well to save you money. So go ahead and just decorate it any way you want and let me see in the comments below what it looks like. So Caitlin finished hers a lot faster than I did, and this is what her finished product looks like. Super cute, super easy, and cost effective. So mine took me a lot longer, but here's what it looks like to get it all wrapped around. So here's the finished product of what mine looks like. I kind of went a little crazy with all the stuff that we purchased, but I think it turned out super cute. As always, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.